Physics. We all have heard this name, but what is physics? Welcome, knowledge seekers. This is the first video in my list of videos regarding physics. This video tells you the fundamental concepts of physics. I am the mysterious Apps book and I am going to present to you the fundamentals of physics. Let's enter my magical world. Let me define you what physics is. The textbook definition of physics is a branch of science that deals with physical quantities in universe. This is just a boring definition, but what does this actually mean? What are physical quantities? The physical quantities are quantities that can be quantified by measurement. Another heavy definition. Let me break this down. Quantification of quantity means the thing which can be measured precisely. For example, mass is a physical quantity which can be measured. As we can tell, mass of an object is 5 kg or 5 pound. And time. We can also measure time. But can you measure happiness or love? We can just tell more love or less love, or more happiness or less happiness. But you can't tell 5 units of love or happiness. Therefore, these are not physical quantities. I hope you have understood what physical quantities are. Let me tell you more about these physical quantities. There are basically two types of physical quantities. They are scalar quantities and vector quantities. Scalar quantities. These quantities just have a magnitude but doesn't have a direction associated with them. Consider temperature. Temperature is a scalar quantity. You can use a thermometer to measure temperature of an object. You can place it at any direction, but the temperature of the object remains the same. Now consider vector quantities. I'm going to make a separate video on vectors, but here I will give you an introduction. Vector quantities have both direction as well as magnitude. It also obeys vector law of addition. I will give you an example. Force is a vector. Consider punching a person. You can punch him at an angle, directly punch him into the face, or punch him sideways. The magnitude of the punch is same, but the direction and effect are different. Let me ask you a question. Is time a vector or a scalar? Wikipedia tells it is a scalar, but time can be taken as flow of river. We move from past to present and to future, so it has a direction. Hence, isn't it a vector quantity? This is still an unsolved question. What is your opinion? Comment it down below. And if you like the video till now, give it a like. We can tell that any physical quantity have two parts, that is magnitude and unit. Consider following quantity: 10 kg, 60 meter, 2 amperes. In this, what is magnitude and what is the unit? 10 is the magnitude and kg is its unit. Similarly, 60 is the magnitude and meters is the unit. 2 is the magnitude and amperes is the unit. This covers the basic concepts of physical quantities. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for notification. And don't miss my next video, which is also regarding another interesting concept of physics.